Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to talk about the BBlunt Intense Shine range. So I have its shampoo, I have its hair serum, and I also have its hair mask. अब इसमें जो है आपको कंडीशनर भी मिलता है, but I just went for the mask. तो इसी रेंज का मैं आपके साथ रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ. So without further ado, let's start. First off, मैंने ये जो है BBlunt की वेबसाइट से लास्ट ईयर लिया था. I think when they had like a, I don't know, buy two get one free or buy two or some, I got a massive discount, so I bought all three of them. Now this is an intense shine range और इसका सिर्फ एक मकसद है to give shine to your hair, and it claims to give you 20, the shampoo claims to give you 23 times shinier hair, and all of this range has a rice and silk protein in it, and it softens, smoothens and adds shine. So this is the bottle of the shampoo. This is a 300 ml pump form bottle. The price on the bottle is printed as 449 rupees. It's right here, but I just checked the website of BBlunt and it says 339 for the same bottle, so I'm confused कि क्या हो रहा है. But please check the website of BBlunt in case if you're interested to purchase it. On this side of the bottle you will get all of the information. The packaging is also very blingy, very shiny. It's just reflecting light from everywhere. जो silk protein और rice protein है वो ingredient list में third last और second last ingredients हैं, and the last ingredient being perfume. इसके अलावा इसमें you get hydrolyzed quinoa, panthenol and vitamin E. Other than that, all of the ingredients are just typical shampoo ingredients, nothing specific to really soften your hair or give you that moisturization and nourishment, but it's yes focusing on the shine component. Personally मुझे ये जो pump form bottle है ये बहुत ज़्यादा inconvenient लगती है, because when you are in the washroom, when you are showering, you know, you obviously आपके हाथ गीले होते हैं, bottle चिकनी होती है, तो इसको निकालने में ना थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आ सकती है. Either you have a platform जिस पे रख के आप इसे push करें, because this is very hard, it's not very soft pump obviously, तो इसको ना निकालने में थोड़ी दिक्कत होती है. I would have preferred अगर normal flip top bottle मिल जाती या फिर एक bottle shampoo की tube मिल जाती, that would have also been good, but this one is not very user friendly from my perspective. Another thing from the perfume angle is that this entire range, the shampoo, the mask as well as the serum, they are very high on fragrance. So if you have a sensitive nose or you are allergic to fragrances, ये मत खरीदेगा, because even though perfume is the last component in the ingredient list, the fragrance is quite high and it's very strong. The shampoo is normal like pearl white shampoo, and I usually dilute it in water and then I apply, and the second time I'll just take a pea size in the palm of my hand and emulsify. Lathering में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, it lathers really well. लेकिन one thing I realized when using this particular range in general, but shampoo in particular, is that some shampoos, you know, when you wash your hair, when you emulsify, when you lather them up, you can feel the softness in the hair. This one just feels very oddly drying to the hair. And I initially thought maybe, you know, it's just the damage of my hair has gone up, but every time I use it, it's the same result. कहते हैं mask पे, mask का price इस पे printed है 499, but again check the website, and the same thing, it has shine tonic and it softens, smoothens and adds shine, और ये 250 grams का jar है. This is how the mask look. It's quite thick mask, so I just scoop out a little और अपने बालों में लगा देती हूँ. Now it is thick like this because it's obviously a mask, but some masks are a little bit slightly runny than this one. This one is not as thick, and yes, the scent is quite high and it's very strong. लगाने में ये mask को दिक्कत नहीं आती है, बहुत smooth है. Thick in the sense the consistency is thick, but the texture is very soft and smooth, और बालों में अच्छे से spread हो जाता है. You don't really need a lot. अगर आप इसको बहुत लगाते हैं तो washing के time में ना आपको बहुत झाग निकलेगा, so that's just a waste of water I feel. तो just take जितना आपको ज़रूरत है, that's about it. Coming to the serum, this is what the serum bottle looks like. And you can see I have used, यहाँ तक था, मैंने काफ़ी यूज़ कर लिया है. Serum tends to claims to give you 10 times shinier hair, जबकि जो conditioner, जो mask और shampoo है, they claim to give you 23 times shinier hair. So that's interesting. And again, the shine they claim to last for 72 hours. I've used this range today and this is the results. You can see the hair are quite shiny. I'm not going to deny that. You can see the light reflecting off of my hair. So yes, the shine department, definitely it works. And this is the consistency of the serum. It's very, very runny. बहुत runny consistency है serum की. See. So with that runny consistency, you know, it sometimes बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी आपको बाल में लगा लेना होता है, वरना जो है वो सीरम ड्रिप हो जाएगा. Now as a range, this is what my take is on this range. The purpose for which it is made, it clearly says intense shine range. तो अगर आपका जो मकसद है वो है बालों में शाइन लेकर आना and nothing else, then yes, this range is good. It does its job pretty well. Yes, my hair feel very shiny, and the shine actually stays also. Let me just clarify that. The shine actually stays. So if that's your sole purpose, to give your hair that nice shine, especially if you want to go out for a special day or you want to have just a good hair day, then yes, this range is good. It gives you the shine. But if your intention is to give your hair smoothness and moisture plus the shine, then this range is not going to do that. ये shine देने के अलावा pretty much कुछ नहीं करता है बाल में. जो बाल के natural texture है वो वैसा ही रह जाता है. It doesn't add any smoothness, it doesn't add any moisture, it doesn't add any hydration to the hair. It just gives shine, point blank, period. That's it. So again, अगर आपका वो मकसद है, then yes, this range is really good, go for it. बट अगर आपका वो मकसद नहीं है और आप ये देख रहे हैं कि चलिए शाइन तो मिल ही जाएगा, लेकिन उसके अलावा मुझे ये चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी, then no, that's not going to happen because that's not what this range does. हेयर फॉल में कोई चेंज नहीं है. अगर आपके फ्रीजी बाल है तो फ्रीजीनेस में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आएगा, वैसे ही रहेंगे. यू विल हैव टू यूज़ अ एंटी फ्रिज रेंज और समथिंग लाइक दैट. बट अगर आपने वो यूज़ कर लिया है एंड देन यू फील आज मेरे बाल मैनेजेबल है लेकिन मुझे शाइन देना है बाल को, then this range is good. It's definitely good. So it's a very niche section, you know, like बहुत कम लोग होंगे जो सिर्फ शाइन के लिए एक पूरी रेंज खरीदेंगे. और अगर मैं इन तीनों का मतलब ये प्राइस वगैरह मिला दूं तो 1200-1500 रुपए हो जाते हैं. तो अगर आपको वो स्पेंड करना है just for one purpose, go ahead and do that. It does a very good job. So in a nutshell, if you want to add shine to your hair, then this range is good. Go for it. But if you're allergic to fragrances and scents, perfumes, this range is not for you because the scent is quite strong and long lasting also. And long lasting, I mean बालों में रहती है. तो वो ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ showering के time आएगी, वो बालों में रहती है. So that's not for you. And yeah, I think that's pretty much about this range. I really hope this video has helped you and you have found it useful, enjoyed it and everything. If you have liked this video, please leave a like. It really helps YouTube to push my content to other people who would like to watch similar content. I will see you again in my next video. Till then, all of you take care. Bye bye.